In this video, I will share with you 5 reasons why I appreciate the organization Anonymous for the Voiceless, most known for their cubes of truth. It's a powerful form of street activism where activists gather. We bring battery-powered TVs and we show what is happening every single day to millions of animals. We bring it to public places on the street and we have impactful conversations one-on-one with individuals. First off, it's really cool that AV has chapters all over the world. Hundreds of cities all over the world, there is a local Anonymous for the Voiceless chapter that activists can get involved in. Reason number 1, I was seeing activists doing cubes on social media and I was like, ooh, I should be doing that. I need to be doing that. And once I got out and did my first cube, I was moved. It's very powerful. Reason number 2 is getting to network and meet and be inspired by so many different activists when I joined cubes. Going from being a lonely little vegan to now being involved in a whole community of empowered vegan activists is huge. Reason number 3, they hold an abolitionist stance. As vegan abolitionists, we believe that the use is the abuse. There's no way to turn an animal into an extractive resource and have that be morally justifiable. All animals are worthy of moral consideration. That's it. Reason number 4, it helped me become so much of a better activist. It accelerated my activism because I was getting so much practice just out there on the street, talking to strangers, showing them footage of what they're paying for every single day and having powerful, meaningful conversations, dealing with trolls, being able to tell who's open to the message and who's not. But when people see animals being hurt on this TV screen, they don't feel right. Which leads me to my thing number 5 that I love about AV is holding non-vegans accountable. I'll leave the link below to AV and the workshop Paul Bashir's Holding Non-Vegans Accountable. I like how AV is very organized and is very structured, and they use what's called the Socratic method, asking individuals questions, and they know themselves that what they're seeing on the screen, which is every single day, legal standard procedures happening to millions and millions of animals every day. They know it's wrong. They know they don't like it. So we just, in a matter of minutes, sometimes even seconds, help them make the connection. That from that moment, they cannot go forward. If they're a hypocrite, if they continue to pay for animal abuse, but yet they didn't like what they saw, they don't want to see it. And it's a powerful moment to just cut through all the carnism, all the invisible beliefs that have it just so normalized for people to say that they love animals, say that they care about justice and equality while paying for mass murder every single day. So I recommend being an activist, advocating for the animals. I get discouraged. I stopped going to cubes. It's been several months since I've been to my last cube. Just anything we can do to stay active. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.